Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Johnnie'S Rewards app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Johnnie'S Rewards app is designed for fans of Johnnie'S restaurants who want to earn rewards, place orders, and enjoy exclusive offers. The app allows users to order ahead for pickup, save favorite meals, and earn points on every purchase that can be redeemed for free food and discounts. It's available for both iOS and Android, making it easy to manage orders and rewards anytime. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean layout, easy navigation, and smooth ordering process. The rewards program is straightforward, points add up quickly, and special promotions make it more rewarding for frequent diners. The ability to customize orders and save past favorites adds to the convenience. However, there are some downsides. Occasional glitches during checkout and limited delivery options in certain areas can cause minor frustrations. Some users have also mentioned delays in earning or redeeming points. In summary, the Johnnie'S Rewards app may be worth using if you frequently visit Johnnie'S and want to save money while earning free meals. However, if you prefer third-party delivery options or rarely visit the restaurant, you might not get the full benefit of the program. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.